Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. How was your last English classes? In the last class we discussed about a story of a king, and the title of the story is yes, three questions. Three questions. As the title suggests, the king had three questions. Can you remind the three questions? Yes, the first question is, what is the right time to do something? What is the right time to do something? And what about the second question? Yes, second question. Which people should he listen to? Which people should he listen to? And the third question, what is the most important thing him to do? The third question, what is the most important thing him to do? So these are the three important questions that the king had. The king thought that if he got answers for these three questions, he will never fail in his life. He will never fail in his kingdom. So the king was in search of answers. The king got many different answers from many different people from different places. But king was not at all satisfied with those answers. So he gave no reward for the people, for that people. So finally he decided to went to the house of a hermit. In the last class I already taught the meaning of hermit. Hermit is a person who lives lonely or a person who lead a simple life. So in the last class we stopped our class by saying the word hermit. So at the end of the first part, the king decided to meet hermit. In the second part of the story, king reached the home of hermit. Hermit was a simple person who leads a simple life, who lives lonely in his house. And the place he was living is called as wood. It is not the wood that you see in your trees or something, not like that. Wood is called as an isolated area, that the person who lives lonely in that place. Actually, the house of this hermit was in a dense forest. He lives there lonely. Then the king decided to meet the hermit to seek advice or answers for these three questions. King decided that he will not go with horses, soldiers and bodyguards by wearing an ordinary clothes like the hermit. And he also go lonely to his place. When the king reached the hermit's home, what did the hermit was doing? Yes, he was digging the land using a spade. The hermit was doing some work. Then the king enters the home. Then the king started asking his three questions. That is these three questions. The king started asking the hermit. And the king told the hermit that I am here to seek your advice. I want to know answers for my three questions, and these are my three questions. But hermit engaged digging the land. He don't pay any attention to the king. Again the king asked three questions to the hermit. But the hermit replied to him that Give me my spade. Let me continue my work. But the king don't give the spade back to him. The king started digging the beds. The king was really impatient. He becomes very impatient. The basic aim of king was to seek advice from the hermit and to know the answers for these questions. Then suddenly something happened. There comes someone running, and that was a bearded man. And that was a bearded man with wound on his stomach. And he was also bleeding. And at that particular time, he fainted and fell to the ground. Then the king helped him by washing the wound and dressed it. But the flow of blood was not stopping. Then the king again washed the wound and redressed it. And after some time, the bearded man felt little much better. After some time, with the help of hermit, the king brought this bearded man to the bed. Actually, this king was also too tired of digging the pits and digging the beds on the land. So both of them fell asleep because of the tiredness. Then next morning, when the king woke up from his sleep, he saw someone was lying near to him. Then king came to know that it was the bearded man. Then at that time, the bearded man started pleasing to the king. Please forgive me. King, please forgive me. But the king was amazed. Why he was doing like this? Children, do you have any guess why the bearded man was pleasing to the king? Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.